Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Shibadrita Ghosh and today we will be solving CAT previous year questions. So our first topic is logical reasoning and our subtopic is sitting arrangement. So without wasting any more time, let's move to the questions. So now let's move to our next question. The question will be displayed on your screen and you can take a screenshot of the question or you can note down the question. There are only 4 neighbourhoods in a city: Levmisto, Tyhrmisto, Pesmisto and Kitmisto. During the onset of a pandemic, the number of new cases of a disease in each of these neighbourhoods was recorded over a period of 5 days. On each day, the number of new cases recorded in any of the neighbourhoods was either 0, 1, 2 or 3. The following facts are also known. There was at least 1 new case in every neighbourhood on day 1. On each of the 5 days, there were more new cases in Kitmisto than in Pesmisto. The number of new cases in the city in a day kept increasing during the 5-day period. The number of new cases on day 3 was exactly 1 more than that on day 2. The maximum number of new cases in a day in Pesmisto was 2, and this happened only once during the 5-day period. Kitmisto is only place to have 3 new cases on day 2. The total number of new cases in Levmisto, Tyhrmisto, Pesmisto, Kitmisto over the 5-day period were 12, 12, 5 and 14 respectively. So now let's directly move to the solution. First, the information is given that at least 1 case is there on day 1. Like in every city there is 1 case on day 1. So first we write that there are at least 1 or more cases on day 1 in each of the cities. So we assume that the number of cases in Levmisto, Tyhrmisto and Pesmisto on day 1 is 1, 1 and 1. And in Kitmisto is 2. Why 2? Because it's already written that the number of cases in Kitmisto is always greater than Pesmisto. So the number of cases in Pesmisto is 1. So the number of cases, minimum number of cases in Kitmisto must be 2 on day 1. Now let's move to day 5. Let us assume that the maximum number of cases is on day 5. Why? Because it's already written that the number of cases are always increasing. Like total number of cases on day 1 is this will be day 5 greater than day 4 greater than day 3 greater than day 2 greater than day 1. Okay, that was a mistake. So the number of cases are keeping increasing on each day. So we assume that the maximum number of cases are on day 5. So let's see what can be the maximum total number of cases on day 5. On day 5, it's already mentioned in the question that the cases can be only 0, 1, 2 and 3. So maximum number of cases on day 5 in each cities can be 3, 3, 2 and 3. Why 3? Why 2 in Pesmisto? Because once again it's written that Kitmisto will always be greater than Pesmisto. And the immediate number which is less than 3 is 2. That's why we assume that the maximum number of cases in day 5 are 3, 3, 2 and 3. I hope this is understandable. So the total number of maximum cases on day 5 is 3, 3, 3 and 2, which is 11. Now let's move to day 4. The total number of cases, maximum total number of cases can be 10. Why 10? Because the total number of cases should be at least 1 less than the total number of cases on day 5. Because the cases are keeping increasing on each day. So what can be the combinations which can lead to 10? So 10 can be achieved in 2 ways. Either 3, 3, 2, 2 or 3, 3, 1, 1. 3, 3, 3, 1. Now, we cannot consider 4, 5 or 6 any other numbers. So using 0, 1, 2, 3, these are the only 2 combinations through which 10 can be achieved. So if we consider the first combination, 3, 3, 2, 2. This can't be possible. This is not possible because it's already written that Kitmisto should be greater than Pesmisto. If it is 2, 2, then Kitmisto and Pesmisto will be equal, which is not possible. Also, if it is 2, 2, 3, 3, once again same mistake occurs. Kitmisto will be equal to Pesmisto, then it's not possible. So 2, 2, 3, 3 or 3, 3, 2, 2 is not possible. So the only way left is 3, 3, 3, 1. So now how will we place 3, 3, 3, 1? So Pesmisto must be less than Kitmisto. So we have to place 3 in Kitmisto and Pesmisto must be less than 3, which is the only option is 1, and other 2 should be 3. So day 4 is covered. Day 3 was already covered, 3, 3, 2, 3, and day 4 is covered, 3, 3, 1, 3. I hope day 4 and day 5 is clear. Now let's move to day 3. In Pesmisto, we have been given that the total is 5. Now we are already getting that 2 plus 1 here. Day 4 plus day 5 is 2 plus 1, 3. So the only left is 2. So the only way in which 2 can be achieved using 0, 1, 2, 3 is only 1, 0, 1. Now we have to see how we can place it. So we know that we have to place it in such a way that this is at least 1 greater than this. So 1 is greater than 0. So this is the only option where we can place 0 here, 1 here, and the other one here. So we get all the days of Pesmisto here and day 4 and day 5 of Levmisto, Tyhrmisto, Kitmisto. Now we have to find day 3 of others. In Kitmisto, see it's given that in day 2 the number of cases is 3. We already found that in Kitmisto on day 1 the number of cases is 2. Why? Because we assumed that on day 1 all other are 1 and Kitmisto is greater than Pesmisto. That's why we assumed that it is 2. So in Kitmisto what we found? Day 1, day 4 and day 5. Now Kitmisto is total cases is 14 and we already found 3, 3, 2. That is 8. So 14 minus 8 is 6. So the only way to achieve 6 using 0, 1, 2, 3 is 3, 3. Because 2, 4 is not possible because 4 is not there. So you can't use 4, 5 or any numbers. So the only way possible is 3, 3. So we will put 3 and 3. So what is done? Pesmisto is done. Kitmisto is done. The whole of Kitmisto and Pesmisto is done. Now left is Levmisto and Tyhrmisto, day 2 and day 3. Day 1 we have found already. It's 1. Here also it's 1. And day 4, day 5 is 3, 3, 3, 3. We can see both have 12. So the arrangement in both Levmisto and Tyhrmisto must be equal. Here we can see that 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7 and 12 is left. So 12 minus 7 is 5. So 5 can be achieved using 0, 1, 2, 3 in only 2 and 3. There's no other way to achieve 5. So we have to put 2 and 3. But in what combination? Is it 3, 2 or 2, 3? See, here it's already given that this should be 1 less than this. So 2 should be put here and 3 should be put here. Same for this because both are 12 and here also the arrangements are same. Here also 1, 1. Here also 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So the only way left is 2, 2 and 3, 3 for Levmisto and Tyhrmisto. So finally we got all days of Tyhrmisto, all days of Levmisto, all days of Pesmisto, Kitmisto. So our table is complete. Now we will move to answering the MCQ questions. So now that we have the complete table, let's move to the multiple choice questions. The first question is, what best can be concluded about the total number of new cases in the city on day 2? The options are exactly 7, either 7 or 8, either 6 or 7 and exactly 8. We can already conclude that it will be something exactly because every number is exact. So on day 2, we have 2 plus 2 plus 0 plus 3, that is 4 plus 3, 7. So our option is A, exactly 7. Now let's move to next question. What best can be concluded about the number of new cases in Levmisto on day 3? This is also a very direct question. On day 3 in Levmisto, we have 3 new cases. So the option will be exactly 3, option B. Then next question is, on which day did Pesmisto not have any new case? So we can see from here that on day 2 there is no new case in Pesmisto. So the answer will be option B, only day 2. The next question is, which of the 2 statements below is or are necessarily false? Statement A. There were 2 new cases in Tyhrmisto on day 3. In day 3 we can see there are 3 cases. So definitely this is false. Also in statement B it's written, there were no new cases in Pesmisto on day 2. On day 2 there are actually no new cases. So this is true. So the only false statement is statement A. So the option is B, statement A only. Next question is, on how many days did Levmisto and Tyhrmisto have same number of new cases? Here we can see Levmisto and Tyhrmisto are having same number of new cases on all of the days, that is all of the 5 days. So our option is option A, 5. I hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you.
So students, we hope this video was helpful. If you have any doubts, the comment section welcomes you. If you want to know more about our community, do check out our website. Link is in the description below. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.